Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Aliza. So in today's video you all are going to see how to do editing. It's a simple editing, basic editing, and doing from laptop. And the videos you all see on my channel, those videos I edit from laptop only cause it is nothing complicated much and it is very easy. Just we have to do the basic things. So let's get into the video. Okay, so now here you can click on this start button which comes to search it, or else you can directly click here, type here to search here also. So I am clicking on the start button. Here I am searching video editor. So it is this one. You can open it from here, or else you can also search photo. So here if you open from the photos, you have to click on open first. I'll show you the both of the ways. You have to click on open first, and then on the top left side you can see options here: collection, album, people, folders, video editor. So you have to click on video editor, or else you can directly click here on new video. Okay, new video project, this, or else video editor. Okay, and if you are searching here video editor itself, so you can click here open. It's again the same thing. Okay, so it came this in the same place. Now you have to click here on new video project. Click here. Okay, so let it load. Yeah, you have to name your video. So I am naming my video as how to do basic editing from laptop. Okay, so now if you have the video saved in your this PC, so like in the folder where all our documents and photos are saved here in this app, so you can take it from here. Like in the project library section, there is a button named add. If you have to click on that, and there are many things like from this PC, from my collection, from the web. So I'll show you all of them. From the web, this means to get the photo from Google. Like I want a photo of airplane, animals, apple, autumn, background, balloons. Okay, so there are many pictures of balloons. Okay, and in simple you can say it is a type of online pictures which you want to show. Okay, see there are many options. You can take it from here, or else you can search it. There is this thank you ones also. You can take thank you from here, and there are many ones. Okay, so this was this, and for from this PC, this means the one which I said now. Like it will open your PC and then it shows. So wait. Okay, so I will rename my project because I got something else now. That is Science Reverberation 2021. Okay, so this was my school project. I have submitted it, and now I'll show you. Like wait, I have clicked on add. I will click on from this PC. Here these both are the videos which I want you all I want to put it in the video editor to show. So you can click on the one of the video or image, and if you want multiple images or videos to come together, so you can click on any one which you want, and then beside that see I have clicked here. Then there is this also. I want this also. So there is a small box over here, so I will click here. So you can see two ticks, and wait, I will cut this first. See, you can see this name of the file, and then if you click here, there is one more that says this. So see, there are two. So I have selected these both, or else the second way you can select it one by one. Click one, open, then again do the same steps. Click the second one and then open. So I am taking both of them together. So see, these both came together. Now I forgot to take my intro. So now I'll go here. You can search also here in the file name. I'll search here intro. wait, intro YouTube. Okay, so I have taken this, see, right? So now first I will put the intro, then I'll put this video, this one, and then this video. So if you are taking the video like horizontally, vertically, yeah, like vertically, so you have in the editing time you will see the video like this, and if you are taking it like this horizontally, it will be seen like this only, how on YouTube we see the videos like that. Okay, so like when, wait, I'll show you what I did here. Let me cut this. Okay, so now I want my intro to be on the first place. Whenever the video starts, I want the intro to be there first. So I will click the intro video and I'll drag it in the storyboard. Okay, here it came, you can see it here also and here also in the storyboard. Okay, and then after this I want the this video, so again I will do drag and drop, then this I want, so I will do this. You can shift it like from here to here, here to here, anything. Okay, and so see, this was my intro and all. Now I want to add a title card which says the topic of this. So what I will do is, you can see wherever you want to add, afterwards also you can do, like in first also, like if you want it the title card to be before the intro, you have to click on the intro and then click on the add title card, or else if you want it after the intro and before this video, so you can click over here and then click on the title card. So I want it before this video and after the intro, so I am clicking on add title card. See, it came here. Now you can add the text and background, so I am clicking on text first. So in text also you can see here there is a option to go change the background color. So first I am changing the background color, so I am taking the color. You can custom also the colors. Wait, I'll show. There are many ready-made colors which you can see here, and if you want any other color not from this, you can click on custom color, here the plus, then you can choose anyone. Like see, there are many colors here, you can choose any of it. So like I'm choosing this. Here you can keep its darkness, brightness and all. So I want it over here 100, it is the value of the color. And then I'll click on text. Okay, here I can type first and then I can select the text style, or else first I can select it and then I will type it, but first I am typing it. So my topic is, I'll write it like this: science reverberation, enter. Topic is what's the topic? Communication. Okay, so this will be like this. Now I can check the styles over here, animated textiles. So this is the simple one, you can play and see. Wait, let it go at the start. See, in the simple one it comes like this. In the loved one it looks like this, but how it enters, it's again like the same, but it's a bit this style. Then joy one, it is like this. Okay, and the classic one, this is the classic one. Adventure, it is this one I have used in my intro, so you would have seen it. Okay, and there are many: fine print, chilled. Wait, I'll show you all of them. The animation. Fine print is simple. Okay, chilled is like this. Electronic, it's like this. See. Then this was electric. Okay, now this is pixel. Wait, I'll show you the entry. Like this, it also looks good. This is again a bit simple, only the coming style, and it's a bit cartoonish. This is cartoon. Impact also looks very nice. It's a type of bold writing and all. There is now no entry, it's just fixed there. Poetry. Wait, I'll show you poetry. Poetry is also normal. Fresh is also again normal. Then bold is also normal one only. It comes and then it goes. Then cinema I didn't show you, no. So it looks like this. Then boom, this also looks good. Boom, it comes and then it closes, right? There are many, you can check it out. So I like the Joy one, so I'm choosing the Joy. And you can bottom right side, you can see there's something like layout under the this only, the styles of the phone. There is layout, so this means wherever you want to place the return things. So it is in middle now, so it looks like this. If it's on the top, it is like this. So the entry also comes a bit different. Okay, then if it's over here, it looks like this. It's on left side, then in center but not full, it is inside, so it looks like this. And again, like this is showing down, this is right side. So I always like the title one, which is in the center, this one. And the entry is also very nice. So I think the texting part is done. You can trim it from here, how long you want, how short you want, like this much only, or big you want, however. See, this much. Or else if you want the full one. So I will take the full one. It is only of 3 seconds. You can slow down the duration, like for 1 second. See, but it's nothing. See.
Good morning.
So I prefer to take 3 seconds only. Okay. Even this is of 3 seconds, 4 seconds. Then you can in the normal videos which you are taking from your PC, that you can trim the videos, split it. You can motion, means you can see however you want the video to come. Zoom in center like this. Okay, there are many things. None, zoom in center, zoom out center, zoom in left, zoom in right, and all. Many things are there. So I want none of this. Trimming is also easy, you all might know. And then text we did, motion I showed, 3D effects. Okay, so here it is like 3D thing. Wait, I'll show. Getting 3D effects ready for your video. Okay, so here 3D effect is like this. See, balloons. Wait, I have to choose it. So I have chosen it, attached to a point. Okay, so here is the balloons 3D effect. You can size it wherever you want to put it, you can put it. Okay, so I have put it in the center a bit. I want it to stay like this. Okay, so here it is. Now let me play and show you. See, first it's normal, then so here are the balloons there. Okay, attached to a point, or you from the starting also you can take it. You can give it how much length you want of the 3D effect. You can take many more. There are many effects like atomic motions, and there is bubbles, many things. So like this one, let me show you this. See this. Okay, I have played it. See, it's like this. Okay, so like I don't want any effect now. Okay, so I have closed it. I have clicked on done or else cancel. Okay, after this we have filters. Filters, as you all know, it is like whatever type of color you want. So like classic you can take. Classic also looks very nice. Or original, pixel, joy, Okay, so I'm taking Joy. Okay, so done. Then you can click here speed, as I said, set clip speed. You can keep it as slow, even slower. Like slow means it's a bit very slow, like this. If you'll keep it over here, see, again it is a bit, and normal only I think it's better. Fast one is so fast. See, I'll show you.
But it was.
See, it went so fast, right? So wait, what's this going on? So I will keep it in normal itself. And then here you can remove or show the black bars. This black bars you can see. You can remove black bars. Okay, wait, it didn't remove now. Let me show you. This video was made like that only, so I think it won't remove. From here you can see. Remove black bars, it will be so near, right? And if you will show to shrink to fit the whole video if you want to see, so it will be like this. Okay, then you can rotate it as however you want. I want to keep it straight. I've kept it straight. Then okay, so like this the editing comes in this. Here you can add background music, but nowadays it became like if you're adding a background music, it goes in all of them. So when the intro, you all have seen this, my intro. This also I have made from this app only, means this thing only. So I have used this music. Okay, done. Let's see. No, this music not. I have not used this. See, now this music played, right?
Good morning, teachers and my dear friends.
So in all of them it plays. So you can either, if you can find a option where you can't, if you don't want that, so or else if you don't want it, you can zero the volume. Okay, you can add custom audio also, like you can if you have any audio file in your this PC, you can take any of that. Like I have no, let's see if I have. No, I don't have any of it, but nothing is there yet. Okay, so like once when I was doing editing in one of my video, in that I have done it like that only. Like I have recorded a audio, and then I have sent it in my PC, in my laptop, and from the laptop I have added it here in this. Okay, and then it was done, and you can keep the duration from where you want the audio to be and where you want it to end, like that. And what else is there? Then you can directly finish your video. Theme, let's see what's the theme. Okay, so this is a type of our video. Unify your video with filters, music and text styles. Okay, so it's showing like a bit how we can use it. Joy, let's see Joy. See, like this only we have used it here in our newest family member, like this. So this is also a way where you can do. Okay. So this was very nice, and then let's see backup project. You can choose it like make a portrait. Like there are options, like if you want the videos in landscape or portrait, so you can make all the videos in portrait also, but I don't want it in portrait, so I want it in landscape. So I am clicking on the three dots beside this finish video. Here this thing is there, right? Wait, this 3, 2, 4, like, wait, I'll show you. It's not able to see this portrait thing, so I'm clicking here, make landscape. So it's all landscape. Okay. Okay, so we will finish this video, and like you can click on the finish video option. Here you can just check if the video is perfect or no by full screen also here, or else in small screen also. Okay, so I know the video is perfect for me, so I'm not checking it. But if there are long videos you are making, so you can check it once for your confirmation and then you can finish it. So I'm clicking on finish. Here you have video qualities, high, medium or low. So I'm choosing high and click on export. So it is getting exported. So wherever you want it to be saved, so I have a folder, I will save it in that. Okay, so right now I'm not saving in that, I'm saving it in downloads, Science Reverberation 2021. Okay, export. Wait, sorry, one more thing is left. I have a last intro in all of the videos, so that I have forgot to put. Okay, where is it? Let's see. It is somewhere here. Okay, so it's here. So I have to take it and put it in the end. So this is the outro. Okay, now I'll finish the video. High quality and export. Okay, so again save, export. It is exporting, you can see, and please do not close your PC until it is finished exporting. Okay, after it's finished you can do whatever you want, right? Okay, so let's see, it's happening. And this was the video for editing, how to do editing, how to do basic editing from laptop, and soon I'll get a video of how to do basic editing or a bit higher editing from mobiles, and then I'll show you advanced editings. Okay, so stay tuned for that. And it's getting exported, and so this video which I have edited, you can see it on my channel, on the other channel 3A Show. And that's it for today, guys. I hope you all liked the video. See you, bye.